Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on Advanced and find the reset options. Let's tap on it, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got this information that this operation cannot be undone. So we've got the last chance to go back if you don't want to reset the settings. If you want to do it, simply tap on Reset Settings and wait a second. So your device will have a chance to reset the settings, and as you can see we had this information, so the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.